The Rotary Club of Donapal, we decided to revive the dying craft of Kunbi weave and Kunbi art in Goa by felicitating certain senior, older Kunbi artsmen and craftsmen on National Handloom Day in August.
आदित्य मैडम, गौरव सर, उन्होंने हम लोगों को डोनापाल बुलाया था फंक्शन के लिए। हम लोग उधर गए थे, हमारा उधर ही अच्छा काम हुआ। मैडम सर ने अच्छा सपोर्ट किया हम लोगों को। तब से हम लोग कहाँ पर भी बुलाया तो हम लोग जाते हैं, हमको उधर जाके अच्छा सपोर्ट मिलता है।
So when they arrived for the National Handloom Day, we were really happy to meet them, and they were really happy to meet us because we discussed about all their issues, and we found out that how they're struggling at the center, at the Weavers Center, as for the last so many years they don't have basic amenities.
वो लाइट थोड़ा हमको का प्रॉब्लम है और ये बर्ड जरा ये करते हैं।
So we thought, why not take this ahead and help them in whatever little way we can.
We felt that this is a craft which is not getting its due recognition in the public. We need to take this out to the Goans, and the Goans should realize that their own heritage is dying.
As part of Save Our Looms initiative, the Rotary Club of Donapal went out and secured collaborations with different malls across Goa. Starting with the Kakulo Mall, which is located in Panjim, we gave free space to the weavers to sell directly to their audiences with collaboration with the mall, along with so many of shoppers who were passing by and getting into their daily shopping. They stopped by, checked out the stalls of weavers, and that gave them tremendous direct financial benefits with their actual customers coming, inquiring about their products of weavers, finding out what new products they have to offer and buying it from them.
काकुलो मॉल में वहाँ हमको बहुत रिस्पांस मिला। 12-12,500 का हमको फ़ायदा हुआ, सेल हुआ हमारा प्रोडक्ट, और ऑर्डर्स भी बहुत आया और चालू हैं ऑर्डर्स।
Following this, we went out and did another such event in collaboration with the Umia Mercado Mall, which is located in Margao. Now, this was effectively done with collaboration with the Rotary Club of Margao. As part of this second initiative, directly the weavers were given free space to sell their products to prospective buyers from the South Goa. The third such initiative was taken up with the 1930 Mall in Vasco. This was done in collaboration with the Rotary Club of Vasco Port Town, and we were able to secure yet another free space for the weavers, which helped them get in touch directly with the buyers.
पहले हमको बात भी करने में ऐसा शर्म दिक्कत होती थी, अब थोड़ा हिम्मत आ गया बोलने का, कैसे स्टॉल में कैसे जाते हैं, बाकी सब अच्छा चल रहा है।
And while talking to the people, we realized that their products, the Kunbi shawl, which is being used for honoring dignitaries across Goa, their product is quite popular, but only among the government sector, because the private sector cannot afford to buy their shawls at that price. So based on that feedback, we worked with them and we have come out with the new design of the Kunbi shawl, a smaller version of Kunbi stole, which is much more economical, which is competitive in pricing to all the similar products available on the market. On 2nd of October 2023, we had a half-day workshop for the weavers. We called all the Kunbi weavers at one place. We called all the top fashion designers in Goa who are working in the handloom space, and we had a one-to-one session with the fashion designers and the Kunbi weavers, where the designers explained to them all the different ways in which they can add value to their Kunbi art.
ये सब बनाते हैं ना, तो वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है, उसका हम बैग्स बनाने का आइडियाज़ मिला, कुर्ता वगैरह ऐसा सीखे, छोटे बच्चों का फ्रॉक्स ये भी बनाने को आइडियाज़ दिया।
Also, on Women's Day, we felicitated all our women weavers, as we wanted to remind them that they are important and they're doing a very important job of not letting such a beautiful craft die.
Then we decided to come to their actual Kundi weavers centers here in Goa, which is fairly remotely located in Goa. So we visited their places couple of times. We understood their issues here, and we talked to them about their requirements. So they had certain issues here, like very basic issues. The flooring was not proper. There were pigeons, etc., disturbing them. So we have worked towards solutions to help them eliminate all these problems. So we are looking forward to work with them even more, and we hope that all our efforts will add a little bit ease to their life, as well as make them commercially sustainable and viable.
Thank you Lottery Club Dohna Paul